Hi everyone, this is Dennis here from Investment Mastery, and I want to give you an update. So a portfolio update basically, which I'm going to do now on a weekly basis. So in front of you, you can see our trading account here at Investment Master. Or well, I would say one of them. I've created one that we can have. I started with around 6,500, and I'm going to update you on a weekly basis just so you can see how we're getting on, right? So we always talk about percentage. My goal this year is to at least double this account, probably more, but we'll see. So last week I made 3%, right? You can see the balance is around $6,700, and last week it's up. So I realized profit and loss 160, which is around 2.5%. So I'm aiming for 10% every month, right? Which is great. So we're doing some day trades, but we're using mainly the Buffalo strategy as is the strategy we teach, right? So I'm going to give you an update of the portfolio if I'm in a loss or if I'm in a gain, either way, right? So just to show you what we're doing, and you can see if I press position, this is the past week, right? You see here this week, right? So it's Saturday today. So if we go to positions, you see that I have some positions open as well. I'm shorting the market a bit. We're in so Boeing Airways. You see that I entered up here. I thought the market was going to reverse, and it did. And you will see now that I moved down my stop loss. So I lock in $30 in profit. So now I'm in a risk-free trade, right? On this, I'm up approximately at 2 to 1. So if you look at the equity, I have 7,000 as equity, and so it's 7, and then so 70 is 1%, 140 is 2%. If we don't look at Square Inc., I'm in that as well. I'm in a little bit of profit currently. I do expect the market to go down a bit more, which I will explain to you why that are my thoughts and in this video as well. I'm in Uber as well, which I'm shorting. I'm just in profit a little bit. I entered over here, right? So when it came down there, so I was in a little bit bigger profit on Friday. I was around 50, so 1%, but that is not enough for me. So I'm waiting for a little bit more. I have my stop loss in place, as you can see up here. I'm risking 1%. So we'll see what happens, right? I'm also in Bitcoin at the moment. Let's see how that plays out. So I think that's going to be good, and I hope you're going to enjoy this. You can see what we're doing here at Investment Mastery. We really do what we teach as well. And one thing I want to show you as well here is that this is the market, right? This is Dow Jones. So the US has now come out with a stimulus package, which kind of means that they're putting around $3 trillion into the market, or two to start with, but I think it will be up to 6-7 trillion. And this has been kind of the whole week, right? So throughout the week, they've gone, all right, will it happen? Will it not happen? And the market has gone up, what I think is around 20% based on the rumor. And now, when it kind of hit the market in a sense, right? It came out in the market, and then the market came down a bit because it was not really what people were anticipating. And I do expect that this is a case of, right, so buy the rumor, sell the news. So the market has come down quite a bit. It's now gone up, and now I would think that we're could go up a bit more and then down as well. But I do think that we could go down again a bit more. I mean, the virus is here. We had the jobless claims data, which were very bad as well. So it means that how many people have lost their jobs, basically, which is a lot, right? So, hope for the best and prepare for the worst. What we're doing here at Investment Mastery, we have so many clients, during the past weeks who have done really well. They are writing reviews for us. You go to Trustpilot and check them out. But the reason we're doing well is partly because we're shorting the market, but more so because when we are entering long positions, for example, so we're making money as it goes up and down. But what we're doing is we're entering as the market falls. Most people, they put all their money in at once, right? So Square Inc. is a great company we're looking at. And one thing I would say is that we would avoid, for example, airlines, we would avoid cruise lines, we would avoid, and sorry about my outfit, by the way, I've just been on a run. I wanted to get this market update out to you guys. And so cruise lines, airlines, and if you look at, for example, so banks, I would probably avoid banks as well, just for as it is now, right? Because airlines, travel agencies is another area because they are going to be affected of what's happening in the market now. But these companies that are kind of online shopping, online companies, they might actually be doing fairly well. So what we're doing, most people just invest a lump sum, right? But what we're doing is we wait for it to fall a bit, we invest a bit, falls again, invest a bit more, falls again, invest a bit more, which gives us a very nice average price. And now when the market was turning, we actually made some really good profits. And I'm going to show you here, just so you get a good hang of it, that if you now look, this is our Telegram group. So if you look here, we're writing out trades, we're doing everything, writing out messages to our members. But one thing I would like to show you is that here, right? So we wrote out the Square Inc. This was when the market was down a bit. So we told our members that this is what we're doing. We're getting into these opportunities that they could have done the same. All right. So that's what we're all about. If you would like to know more, just let us know, right? DM us, comment on here, and we're more than happy to help you. So just write to us, call us. We are here for you to support you through these hard times as well. We're doing so many both webinar but live casts as well. So just let us know, leave your information, and we are here to support you. All right. So I hope you enjoyed this video. And I'm looking forward, for the next update. So keep on the lookout for the next update, and we will speak soon again. Bye for now.